Here I'm going to show you a video on how to remove a difficult part stuck to the bed with the use of some force. I have a mallet here and two different types of wedges. So here's the putty scraper that ships with the machine, and this is good for just normal hand use and can be used with the hammer. And then here we have a little bit more of a industrial use case. So I'll show you with the putty scraper what it's like. Here, we start at a corner, we get under it, but like over here it's really hard, not coming off. There's a lot of force being put into that. So what we could do is use the mallet and hit the end of this putty scraper here, and I'll show you that. So be careful of the edge of the rails, and just like slight taps always work well. Some wiggles always work. Pull it out and reinsert it to the new direction. So that's a good way to work around, work those edges that's coming off. And then I'll show you with this larger wedge. I'll come in here. Let's go straight into it like that. I've been working at this a little bit already. So we're just hitting pretty solidly against this. That popped up, reinsert here. So it's always good to be mindful that slower is better than fast in this case. These slight taps work just fine. There's no reason to rush this. And looks like we have a little bit in the middle here yet. And there it goes. So there's a lot of surface area in this bottom part, which is the reason that it gets stuck to the bed a lot. It's also helpful to let the bed cool down before you try to remove a part. But in any case, sometimes the use of a mallet with a putty scraper or a larger wedge is what you need to get the part off.